So that's what it looks like.
Hey guys, welcome back. I know today's format is a little bit different. I'm gonna try to toggle back and forth between being on camera and off camera. So today, last week, I took a look at this product. I was so happy with this. My daughter, I tanned her with this and it is amazing. I also have one, fake it till you make it, and the little brush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it right here. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna do one arm with this one and one arm with this one, and then we're gonna see. And the principal difference between these two, they're both like vegan, cruelty-free, blah, 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 all the things. Okay, so awesome. As far as the company is concerned, it's a yes for me all day long. This one smells like light coconut, and I'll link to this review at the end of this video. This one smells like anything. Yeah. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take my super pale arm. I'm gonna pump this onto here. I love this brush, by the way. This is like a green-based self-tanner, which is great for someone with my skin tone. I'm gonna put it on here, and then we're just gonna pop it on here. And I love a brush. I don't know like how new you are to this channel. I used to own a spray tanning manufacturing company. So I am the world's hardest person to impress when it comes to spray tanners. But when you are doing your hands and feet, you want a brush because you can really get in like between the knuckles and such. That's where we are so far. And I'm just gonna do like up to the elbow. I'm gonna squeeze it on here so you can see. See how it's like that green base tan? Oh, the color like straight out is really pretty actually. Oh, I love it. I can already say this without even much more. It's drying so, and this is super forgiving. Like the way this goes on, it's like a dream. Okay, so no tan, fake it till you make it. Now this one is supposed to be a 1 hour tanner, and I say supposed to be because again, it used to be in the game. A lot of people say that. I don't know if it's true, but we're gonna find out. So I'm gonna rinse it off in 1 hour. So it's 7:20 right now, so I'm gonna rinse it off at about 8:30, and then I'm gonna come back on and show you guys where we're at. I'll take a picture so we can compare them. Okay, so on this other hand, I'm gonna have to do it like this because I just tanned my hand. We're gonna put this. And by the way, this has absolutely no smell of any kind. It doesn't smell like anything. It doesn't feel like tacky. I'm here for this one so far. Okay. This one is a clear gel. So this one is like a clear gel. It doesn't have a color guard, which is color that you see, which is what helps you to lay it down. Clear products are probably for more, I would say, advanced tanners. It's just hard to know where you're putting the product. That's all. But it's great if you want to tan and be out the door and you don't have to worry about it rubbing off on your clothes. But like I said, I tanned my daughter with this. Color me impressed. This stuff was amazing. All right, so you can see right out, this one has a color guard, obviously, and this one does not. So this one doesn't look like anything, and this one looks like a tan. So it depends, I guess, on what's more appropriate for you. I would say you need both. This for your body, this for your hands and your feet, and even your elbows, you know, because you can really kind of get in there and do all the things. But say like if I were going on a date and I was wearing like a little black dress, I would probably throw this on because I like the color guard. I like that it's bronzing my skin right away. If I were just doing like a tan maintenance situation and it was like a Thursday morning, I would put this on because it's clear and it wouldn't get on my clothing. So I'll be back in about an hour and we'll see, but this is where we're at. Well, I'm gonna have the most interesting tan on my arm, but okay, I'll be back. Bye.
Okay guys, it's been an hour. Let's see. So that's what it looks like. Completely dry, like almost the minute I put it on, not tacky at all. But let's see what happens when we wash it. Of course the bronzer should come off, but let's find out. Wait, what? Okay, and guys, hold on. Let me give this a good rub so you know I'm not like clowning you. Okay, when you rinse off spray tan, sunless tanners, please know, don't use soap for the first pass. Guys, what?
Okay, guys, the verdict is in and the results do not lie. I'm the hardest person to please when it comes to sunless tanners. And I was already so impressed by this. And yes, I'm focusing on sunless tanners and things like that right now because we're headed into spring break and summer, and that's what people are looking for. But guys, 1 hour. I don't know if like, I have a lot of lights around me, so I think it's kind of blowing out the results, but I'm pretty sure you can see that. Y'all look. I mean, I washed it off at almost exactly the 1 hour mark. That is incredible. I would say, final notes, if you're going somewhere and you need to have a little color, do this 1 hour later, jump in the shower, tepid water, no soap. Pat the skin dry, hydrate the skin with lotion, go on about your business and enjoy your tan. If you're not going anywhere, I would do this. Like if, you know, if you just want to maybe like, let's say you want to tan before bed, do this because there's no color guard. So it's not going to go anywhere. And then just shower off in the morning. Sunless tanners must have come a long way. Guys, look at my hands. They're not orange at all. And I did not even, usually I'll put like lotion and everything else on so that I don't end up with little orange paws. Nothing. All I did was straight on dry skin with the little brush. And b.tan, I don't know what kind of magic you're putting in these products, but be ready because I am gonna probably be a customer for life. I'm just very, very happy with these products. If you are headed to spring break or have a teen or somebody in the house headed to spring break, get these products. I mean, for me, it's not either or. I want both for the reasons that I mentioned. So I hope you guys found that helpful. If you enjoy reviews like this, where I just have a real person coming on camera and I'm giving my honest opinion, these are not sponsored reviews. I'm just giving you my honest opinion about the products that we use in our real life. I am a customer experience designer by trade, so of course analyzing products is just, you know, in the brain. And I love sharing these things for you so that you can find the right tools for yourself and your family. So if you enjoyed those kind of videos, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.